Another day, another page. Welcome to Wen's Pages Vlog.
Hello everybody! Maghahanap kami ng food. Ay, oo nga! Yung good morning! Good morning!
Ay, gusto mo
Bakit na po?
natin mamaya.
Hanap tayo dito. Ikot tayo kasi parang food park to yata. Parang food area yata to. Like, ang aking double chin, hindi ko maano kasi yung double chin ko. Guys, i-charge ko na naman ito mamaya kasi concert naman ako mamaya. Tapos siya me time.
Yes.
Romantic baboy na naman.
Nakakita kami na
Nasa kapalit. Puro ano yata dito?
mesa. Ano yung pagkain dito sa mesa?
Mga Pinoy foods. Sakto lang din naman ng pricing nila. Ito. Naghahanap lang kami food, guys. Be back later. Bye! Ready for concert! Guys, kasama ko yung isa kong friend. Say hi! Bedazzled! Bedazzled! See you, Nikki! Guys, malapit-lapit na kami. Ready na din yung back burner.
Pwede na yung tissue.
Tingnan natin mamaya. Pagka ang vlog ko ay puro may umiyak na sa background. Okay? Alam nyo na, okay? Saan tayo papasok? Ayun. Madali siyang okay. Bibili sana siya ng food. Meron naman daw sa taas. Okay. Ito yung pinakamabilis na kalad ka rin, guys, eh. Ito na, tumatawag na siya namin kasama. Wait lang.
Saan ba tayo bukas?
Ang bilis naman. Hello, girlie. Papasok na kami. Hello. Walang sec na. Okay, videoing. Saan tayo? Nasa 14.
We were on port 14, but our ticket is on port 9.
Ay, oo, kaya pala may mga port. Ang alam ko lang kasi port airport.
Oh my God! Funny niya.
Yes! Subscribe na kayo kung funny ako. Guys, alam nyo ba, kasama ko din to sa next vlog. Ito naman nakasama ko next vlog. Papunta kami sa Bacolod. So, bibidyohan ko lang ng paglalasing moments niya doon.
Makikita niyo ulit ako.
Grace nga pala, guys. You know, if may interested sa inyo dyan, just message me. Call me daw. Hello, guys.
Hello.
Hi. Mga kasama ko sa vlog, guys. Ay, sa concert pala. Vlog to lang. Kanina pa kayo? Hello. Pretty naman ito. No, wag na lang ako tumabili. Kayo na lang kayo magtabi, please. Wait, may pa-dazzle. May pa-pearls kami. Guys, so ready ka na ba umiyak? Iiyak ka ba? Iiyak ka ba? Ang ganda. Gusto niyo ba picture ako kayo gamit to? Back to camera vlogging. Na-confiscate yung camera ko. Kinonfiscate. Bawal daw sa loob. Sad.
That feeling so stellar, bro. If you like it, just go and fucking tell her. Show's about to start. Doors about to open. Flowers about to bloom. About to fall for you.
Let's go through some important safety instructions to make your journey as enjoyable as possible. Please ensure that all emotional baggage is never left unattended. Exit signs are illuminated.
Every time I'm back here, especially because Tonight, this show, this is the last show of the Asian leg of this tour. As long as we keep it. Does it feel heavy now to look at me instead? Did your hands find her waist when she got sloppy? After just a few Manhattans in Berlin. Oh my god, thank you so much, that's so sweet. Did you hope the nights would never ever end? Then again, I know it'd be in the morning, right before the sleep that you're what drive are you getting on the L train? Me Manhattan's nice, somehow the night. You know if you stay, you know if you put up a fight, your toes are blue in winter, I'm getting red. Girl, does it drink for all of the things left unsaid? I'm missing a drunken 2 a.m. strolls and kids. Starlight in the night, destiny deep fried, some beautiful night. Too soon. Ready? But I'm ready. Go. I'll give it all. But don't get me wrong. Always thought it was fun. Broke you this very last song. I keep on going. All I can taste is this one. And all I can breathe is your breath. Your mystic chords. I try to explain the way through planets of course. I hope you surely find what you long for.
Move on na? Move on ka na ba? Ayun na ha? Mansure na kayo, girl ha?
What you want, as long as maybe I'm just not better than this. I haven't tried. Maybe love's not
Nakuha ko na. Kinonfiscate to kanina, so hindi ako nakapag-vlog gamit ito. Hello sa umiyak nung the apartment we won't share.
Oh, never mind.
Hindi siya umiyak sa back burner, guys. Sa the
Apartment, we won't share. Wonder what sad life lives there.
Meron yan, girl. Just look. Just keep. Oh, may nananawagan, guys. Okay. Okay? So, this girly, bigay ko sa inyo socials niya. Just message me. Or mag-comment lang po kayo sa baba. How?
Ano pa po i-mind?
Ay, how muna, okay? Muna i-mind. Kasi, dadaan pa yan sa interview phase or ano, magsasalansan pa siya ng resume. So, ayusin niyo yung LinkedIn niyo. Hi! It's time for me to go tour alone for today. Diba ang linis kong, ano, Airbnb? Airbnb.
Hot and cold shower, 5 cubic feet toilet paper and bidet, and sink with hands.
Okay.
Ito po yung pad niyo. Para po ma-open yung pad niyo, ang gagawin niyo lang po is itong brown, ita-type lang po siya dito.
Dito naman you can see ate from the front desk na talagang sinamahan ako and in-explain kung ano yung features ng pod, kung saan mag-charge, kung anong pipindutin, kung saan ilalagay yung card para mag-on and off yung ilaw doon sa loob ng pod. Hi guys! So this is the female pod. 900 per night. So, key card. Wow, okay. Oh, this is nice. Ambient light. Oh, cool. Okay, air fan. Sleep mode. Oh wow! Ang cool. Okay. Door lock. Oh, this is nice. So, lock na siya, guys. Tapos, wow. Cool. Wait. Nababano ako, guys. Nakaka-amaze. First time ko sa pod, actually. And this is nice for solo traveling. Spacious. Pero good for one packs lang talaga siya, guys. Okay, so isang pod, isang tao. And hiwalay yung female pod, hiwalay din yung male pod. So, this one. Oh. Okay. So, if gusto niyo mag-work dito, pwede rin naman, guys. But, meron din silang Wi-Fi password. So, may Wi-Fi dito. May air conditioning. May shower room. CR. May 7-Eleven sa baba. So, buhay na buhay, guys. Especially for solo travelers. And this just costs 900 a night. So, if you're just looking for somewhere to stay,
Let's say, for example, ano lang, lalo na kung mag-isa kayo or may concert kayong a-attendan and you think okay na sa inyo yung ganitong space lang. So yes, you can try this one. Female pod. Cute though. Pwede ko i-change yung ambience light. Depende sa kung anong gusto ko. But since I'm a pink girly, syempre dun tayo sa pink. This is the charging port. And aside dun sa charging port, meron din silang charging port sa kabila pa. Dito sa labas nito. Kapag tutulog ka na. Yes. May reading light din sila if you're looking for something to read. Diba? Cute. This is nice. And cute.
Once again, this is Wens of Wens PG saying thank you guys for watching my vlog. Tatakit sa aking next vlog. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Stay safe and stay